Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2x equals to 2 cosine x squared minus 1. So I will put this one go in here. 1 minus 1 we cancel. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x du. You got about negative sine x dx. After we do first the derivative of cosine x, but we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by u, and you got about u square sine s dx we change by negative du. The integration of negative du over u square, you got about 1 over 2u, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.